Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, May 2nd, and it is time for another week in review. Before we get started, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we have weekly videos doing a week in review when there's stuff going on, and we also trade primarily three securities right now: CGC, Barrick Gold, and Norwegian Cruise Lines. And we have channels for each of those and we make videos for every move we make so you can follow right along. So like I said, go ahead, hit like and subscribe, and well, let's take a look at what we got going on from the past week. So we flip over to our trading account. You can see we have Canopy Growth here. We've got 100 shares with a $30 call. So that's out of the money still. It's probably going to be out of the money for a while. So, it's like $3 out of the money. So we've got a few weeks left and that'll probably expire. So not a lot to do with Canopy except watch it. And let's see, Barrick Gold. We've got 200 shares with a $22 call. That's also out of the money. Expires May 7th, so this coming Friday. We might have something to do later this week if we buy that back for 80% of our profit, which would be for 5 cents. Or if gold happens to go up, then maybe this will get called away, and next weekend we'll plan for a new put. So we haven't got anything for Norwegian right now. If we go over to activity, we can see that we had our call expire in the money. It was worth $1.06. So our stock got called away. So let's take a look at Norwegian. So there we go. All right, so our Norwegian closed at $31.05. So now we need to sell a put. So if we take a look at the puts, let's take a look at, first of all, what we've got going on next Friday. And the stock got called away at $30. We could sell a $30 put for 60 cents. So let's go ahead and make a note of that. According to our plan, we want to get at least 1%. This is more than 1%. This would be almost 2% for the put. We would be buying it back at the same price that as we sold it. So that's not a bad deal. Let's go over to our trade log. So for Monday, we want to sell two $30 puts. Actually, we want to sell two $30 May 7th puts. All right, so if we sell those for about 60 cents, then we will get those out there and buy them back for 80% of profit. And if the stock goes down below 30, we'll get the stock assigned back to us for $30, which is what we just sold it for. And if we take a look at our cost basis, right now our cost basis for Norwegian is $20.92. So we've done pretty well with Norwegian this far. So that's our plan. For Monday, we're going to sell two puts on Norwegian Cruise Lines at the $30 strike expiring Friday. Now, before we go, let's pop back over and look at our overall results so far. We've been doing this since the middle of January, so 3.5 months now. Our current balance on the account is $8,269.53, which is a return of 10.26%. So that's pretty cool for less than 4 months of being invested with these stocks. And the reason that we're up 10% is because of the premium that we've been collecting. If you look at the premium collected, $2,591. Like that's almost a third of what we started with. So if we didn't collect any of that premium, we would be down around $5,000 on these stocks, which wouldn't be that great at all. But selling the premium has kept us in the game, and we're even up 10.26%. And you can look over here, our total realized gain is 27.91. So like for Norwegian, if we pop back over, we've got $400 in capital gains. So that's where that's coming from. Norwegian has been doing really well. We've got a 32% return on equity from the current price to where our cost basis is. If we look at gold, it's been kind of a lag. So we have a negative 200 capital gains and only collected $400 in premium, but we're still up almost 4%. And then for Canopy, we are down big. So we bought our Canopy stock at $47 a share. Been chipping away at it since, and I've got down to $36.34. So we're still about $10 away from break even on that, which is why we're down so much. The good thing is that we did collect $1,000 so far, which is $10. So again, selling premium keeps us in the game. Overall results, 10%, not bad. So, like I said, go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe. You can follow along with every move we make during the week, as well as our weekend reviews. And as always, guys, please do your own homework. Do not just take advice from guys on YouTube making videos. This is for entertainment and information purposes only. You need to do your own homework so you are a knowledgeable investor and make your own investment decisions. So again, thanks for joining me this weekend, and happy trading.